Hey, welcome back to Legal Clarity. I'm your host. Today we're tackling something most families avoid forever: how to actually talk about estate planning without it turning into an argument or an awkward silence. This conversation could save your family thousands of dollars in years of conflict. Let's get into it. Most families never have the estate planning conversation, not because they don't care, but because nobody knows how to start it. Talking about death feels uncomfortable. Talking about money feels private. And combining both in one conversation, most people would rather avoid it forever. But here's the cost of that silence. When a parent dies without having this conversation, children fight over assets, question every decision, and sometimes stop speaking to each other entirely. A simple conversation today prevents years of family conflict tomorrow. So how do you actually start this conversation? Here are 3 proven approaches. Approach 1, use a news story or someone else's situation as the opener. Something like, "I read about a family that lost everything because they had no will. It made me think we should talk about our own plan." This removes the personal pressure and opens the door naturally. Approach 2, frame it as protecting the family, not planning for death. Say, "I want to make sure that if anything ever happens to me, you know exactly what to do and you're completely taken care of." Nobody can argue with that. Approach 3, schedule it like a meeting. Don't try to have this conversation at dinner or during the holidays. Set a specific time. "Can we sit down this Saturday morning for an hour? I want to go through some important financial and legal documents with you." Once the conversation starts, here are the 5 things every family needs to discuss. 1. Where are the important documents? Will, trust, insurance policies, bank accounts. Does your family know where to find them? 2. Who are the beneficiaries on every account? Life insurance, retirement accounts, bank accounts. Are they up to date? 3. Who is the executor or trustee? Does that person know they've been named? Have they agreed? 4. What are your end-of-life wishes? Medical decisions, funeral preferences, organ donation. These are difficult but essential. 5. Where is the digital information? Passwords, crypto, online accounts. Make sure your family has access. That's it for today. One conversation. That's all it takes to protect everything you've built. If this video helped you, share it with someone in your family who needs to hear it. Subscribe so you don't miss next week's video, where we cover how to choose the right estate planning attorney and the questions you must ask before you hire one. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.